the beginning, one with God the Lord Most High. Your hidden glory in creation, now revealed in you are Christ. What a beautiful name it is! What a beautiful name it is! The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is! Nothing can compare to it. What a beautiful name it is! The name of Jesus. He didn't wait heaven without, so Jesus, you brought heaven down. My sins was great, your love was greater. What could separate us now? What a wonderful name it is! What a wonderful name it is! The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a wonderful name it is! Nothing can compare to it. What a wonderful name it is! The name of Jesus. Well, that's a song from your song. Hi folks, my name is Jay Phillips. I'm a contemporary gospel musician. I'm also music critic. My first video, I talk about elements of music. I talk about the importance of music. So please, if you have not watched it, please do watch. So go to YouTube and type G Phillips. Okay, G Phillips. Phillips. G Phillips. Today I'm talking about one thing that is important to every musician, especially upcoming musician, and that's a cover song. Cover song. Most of the time, you get confused between cover song and remake. Remake is update version of a song. So today I can make a song or I can produce a song, and after it I've enjoyed some airplay, for this time around I can just change the lyrics or the tempo, and this time around I can also feature someone. So basically remake is called remix. But cover song is taking someone's song or performing someone's song. So the question is, when I do live band in pub, or when I do live band or when I perform someone's song in church, do I need the lances? Yes, you need the lances before you can perform someone's song. It's in two ways. If you know that the cover song you're going to make, you're going to perform, I don't know if you get money from it, or you're going to put it on CD or a pen drive, then you need mechanical lances. Why mechanical? Because it's something that is physical that you can see or touch, so we need mechanical lances. But maybe you are in church and you feel like performing someone's song, then make sure your church, they have music right or music lances. Or better still, make sure that you are going to perform, you have grant right before you can perform someone's song. So all the principle in music, when you say principle, like if I say like some example, if I say I'm actually the Okobo concert, okay, and I start the Okobo concert. I'm actually a principal because on over two on the new now, so he's the principal. Into all the principal, mobile live band or pop, make sure say you people have or the place or the venue, make sure that they have music lances before you can perform someone's song. But there's a way. There's a way. When a song is 50 years, or 50 years, or the person who composed the song kicked the bucket and it's about 75 years, then that song can become public property. For that one, you have no, you can use it without any lances or permission. Okay. Maybe so as time goes on, I'll take my time and explain all this into you. So they just feel relaxed and just move along. Or better still, before or after you can perform someone's song, make sure at the end of it, you can give that person a mileage, or the owner, the mileage. That one can bury the hatchet. Okay. So how do we do cover song? Just feel relaxed. Take the song that you're okay with it. Take the song that you can sing along. Take the song that you can learn the lyrics. So that song can become your repertoire. Okay, just feel free and just flow. You can change everything, but you cannot change the lyrics of the song, because when you change the lyrics, then it's no more cover song. They become remix or remake. Some songs are 40. In music, when you say a song is 40, meaning it's danceable. A go speak kakra, okay, it's danceable. So you can change a 40 song into adagio. In music, when you say a song is adagio, meaning very slow, okay, very slow song. Or identity. When you say a music is identity, meaning walking pace, okay, and no making the sound and no making fence as a slow as a new slow, okay. So there are two ways that you can do cover songs. One, you can go in for a cappella. When you say a cappella, means like you sing without any instrument or without any beat. Well, a cappella is an Italian phrase, okay? And the two, you can do it in accompaniment. Yeah, accompaniment, meaning you go with a beat or instrument. So make sure that you take a song that is very accessible. In music, when you say a song is accessible, means you can hear or you can understand. So just feel relax and just use your natural voice, just flow. One funny thing about my cover song is sometimes we need to know but get the original. Okay, you grab betting bed the crutch original. So take a song as your own, just feel free and just flow. Just flow. The most important thing, you have to learn the lyrics. That's the most important thing, and just use your natural voice and flow. So let's see some of the importance of cover song. One, cover song is a natural, it's exercise for everyone. Cover song is exercise for everyone. Through cover song, you can build your self-esteem, or through cover song, you can build your self-confidence. And through cover song, you can get a record deal. That's most of the people know. We hear reality shows now, like Mentor, MTN Hitmaker, Vodafone Icons, and all the icons. All the icons. But a lot of people want to do because they know that at the end of it, they can get a record deal. You know that at the end of it, you can get a record deal. And through cover song, you can also become a great composer because you learn people's lyrics. So they are learning how to start it and where to end it. Okay, as I said it, my name is Jay Phillips. I'm Music Critics. Please subscribe and share. Okay, subscribe and share so that you can get more videos. So see you next time. And next video, I'll talk about the role of a manager, artist manager, the role of artist manager. Okay, I'll talk about the role of a TA in music. When you say TA, meaning that like TA is a talent agent, okay, or book agent. Get my artist. Okay, and we also talk about CRM. Or handle the relationship between the fans and artists. Or handle the email and the telephone calls from the OBR. Or handle the telephone call. Or handle artists in the telephone call. Okay, as time goes on, so I'll talk about recoverable advance. These are the loan that the company and I say a firm or a label can give it to artists to do a record or music, or buy a house, or rent a car, or buy a dress. Okay, it's a loan. Okay, it's a loan. So example now, fencing. Xylophone for the man, Shatawale Mune, Stoneboy, and Becca, Nature's blessing. So as time goes on, I'll talk about the advantage and disadvantage. My name is Jay Phillips. Catch you. Bye.